Good morning, everyone. This is Trader Chick. It's February 4, 2026, 7:22 in the morning. I'll just give you a quick update on the price action of Bitcoin. So this is your swing high, 15 minutes time frame. This is the swing low. This is the retracement. This is the other swing low. Fibonacci trend-based extension. Because swing high, first swing low, hatak sa highest point ng retracement. Okay, so it fell to approximately 2.72 level. Okay, 2.72 level is just like 1.272. So it should reverse. And the reversal should be at least 50%. Maximum should not go beyond 79%. Okay, 50%, 61%, 65%. It could go beyond that, but not more than 79%. If it goes beyond 79%, it's gonna pull back 30%, 23% bago ulit umakyat. Okay, so nagkaroon tayo ng hit sa 2.72. So, expected tong move na to. Tingnan natin kung ilang percent ang retracement nito from this point. Because this is the new high, low, okay? Nagkaroon tayo ng retracement, almost 79%, but not quite, not quite. Okay? So, this is still considered as a retracement sa 65%. Hindi siya umabot ng 79, but almost 79%. Gusto niya mag-reverse. Ibig sabihin lumakas ang mga buyers. Pero hindi pa niya na-reach. So, after nun, bumaba sa 0.5. Okay, tingnan natin. Buksan natin ang 50 EMA. There. Hinit niya yung 50 exponential moving average sa 15 minutes time frame. This is called the mean reversion. Okay? Wherein kapag nagkakaroon ng dump or pump, okay, once na mag-stop, katulad ng nangyari, umabot sa 2.72, tinatry niyang balikan ang mid or 50 exponential moving average. Okay? So, dito siya na-stop. So, right now, major resistance level yan. And pwede siyang mag-try ulit mag-retest. Okay? Bababa ulit. Nandito na yung 50 EMA natin sa 0.65. So, kapag nagkaroon ng rejection ulit dito, possible na yan bumaba. Mag-create yan ng another head and shoulders pattern. Shoulders, head, and then shoulders. Okay, going down. Going down yan. Alright, pero pag nag-breakout yan at inakyat ito, level na to, delikado na to. Kasi ibig sabihin mag-reverse yan. Ibig sabihin, pag umakyat yan dito, kung saan yung stop nun, kailangan yung i-measure 38 to 23, 23 to 38% from this point naman. From the bottom, going here, kung saan mag-stop yung candle natin. And then, i-check nyo yung 23 to 38% na reversal, possible umakyat. Okay? Reversal yon. Pero kung hindi siya makakaakyat sa level na to, hindi pa yan mag-reverse. Magkikreate siya ng head and shoulders and then going back down. Alright?